Welcome to this lesson on plant versus animal cells. Today, we're going to explore the key structural differences between these two fundamental types of cells. Understanding these differences will help you appreciate how plants and animals are uniquely adapted to their different ways of life. Let's dive in and discover what makes each cell type special. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living organisms. Everything that's alive, whether it's a tree, a human, or a cat, is made up of cells. Both plants and animals are made of cells, and while all cells share some common features like a nucleus and mitochondria, there are key differences between plant cells and animal cells. These differences help each type of organism survive and thrive in their own unique ways. Before we look at the differences, let's first understand what plant and animal cells have in common. Both types contain a nucleus, which houses the genetic material, or DNA, and controls all cell activities. They also have mitochondria, often called the powerhouse of the cell, which produces energy in the form of ATP through cellular respiration. Ribosomes are present in both, synthesizing proteins needed for various cell functions. Finally, both have a cell membrane that acts as a gatekeeper, controlling what enters and exits the cell. Now let's explore the structures that are unique to plant cells. First is the cell wall, a rigid outer layer made of cellulose that provides structural support and protection. This is what allows plants to stand upright without a skeleton. Second are chloroplasts, which contain chlorophyll and perform photosynthesis, converting sunlight into food. Third is the large central vacuole, which stores water, nutrients, and waste products while maintaining cell turgor pressure. These three structures are found only in plant cells, not in animal cells. Let's take a closer look at the cell wall. The cell wall is made of tough cellulose fibers and provides rigid structure and support to plant cells. It's what allows plants to grow tall and upright, like trees reaching toward the sky. The cell wall also protects the plant cell against mechanical stress and damage. Animals don't need cell walls because they have skeletons for support, and they benefit from having flexible cells that allow for movement. Chloroplasts are like tiny solar panels inside plant cells. They contain a green pigment called chlorophyll that captures light energy from the sun. Through the process of photosynthesis, chloroplasts convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, which is food for the plant, and release oxygen as a byproduct. This is why plants are called producers. They make their own food using sunlight. Animal cells don't have chloroplasts because animals get their energy by eating other organisms. The large central vacuole is a distinctive feature of plant cells. This massive storage compartment can take up as much as 90% of the cell's volume. It stores water and nutrients, helping the plant stay hydrated and nourished. The vacuole also stores waste products and maintains turgor pressure, which keeps plant cells firm and the plant structure rigid. Animal cells do have vacuoles, but they're much smaller, and there are multiple ones instead of one large central vacuole. Animal cells have their own unique structures as well. Centrioles are cylindrical structures that organize spindle fibers during cell division, helping to separate chromosomes properly. Lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles containing digestive enzymes that break down waste materials and cellular debris, acting like the cell's recycling center. Animal cells also lack a rigid cell wall, which means their cell membrane is flexible, allowing for various cell shapes and the ability to move. This flexibility is crucial for animals that need to move around. Let's compare plant and animal cells side by side. Plant cells have a cell wall, contain chloroplasts, have a large central vacuole, are typically rectangular in shape, and make their own food through photosynthesis. In contrast, animal cells have no cell wall, lack chloroplasts, contain only small vacuoles, have round or irregular shapes, and must obtain food by consuming other organisms. These differences reflect the distinct lifestyles of plants and animals. Let's review the key takeaways from this lesson. First, both plant and animal cells share common structures like the nucleus, mitochondria, and cell membrane. Second, plant cells have unique structures including the cell wall, chloroplasts, and a large central vacuole. Third, animal cells have centrioles and lysosomes but no cell wall, giving them flexibility. Finally, these differences reflect the distinct lifestyles and needs of plants and animals. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the amazing diversity of life on Earth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.